Alright guys, we came up with a plan and we're going to try to take it. Where we all left off yesterday's video is we're going to try to get rid of the bumper set without the garbage I had. So, this whole setup, I think it was $11. Now, as you see, I got a piece of all thread here. This is 3/8 all thread. And then 4 kind of wing nuts. We'll kind of wing it as we're going here. We're going to see if this works. My plan is I'll drill here beside the light straight down, and here beside the light straight down, and I'll kind of bend this to form with that bumper, and I'll kind of put it as close to up here as I can. That way that bumper can sit on it with no sag. I wanted the thicker one. I was going to get 1/4, but this one has some bend to it now. But that 1/4 inch one had a lot of flex in it. So I'm hoping this works. So let's cut this and try to form it on. Okay, so we got our halfway charged, definitely chewed up Black & Decker here. Hopefully that works. Rid of that. And our brand new 3/8 drill bit. There we go. Alright, let's put it right here. Maybe. Just about through. Golly, I should have charged this a whole lot more. There we go. Okay. Now, while I finish that, I'm going to throw this on the charger. Throw it on the charger, Bobby! Alright. Now, I'm not sure how I'm going to bend this yet, but you'll figure it out with me. There's just stuff making noises over there. Alright. Take our nuts off here. Okay. So we're just going to stick this through just to where we have, there's a hole in the bottom. There we go. Just enough so we have, oh, that's too much. Okay, I'm trying to go straight. Kind of where we want it, I guess. Then we'll put her in the old vise now. Just to verify here. Kind of place a mark here where we want it bent at. Alright. Pull her out. You guys come with me. Turn that on. Yeah. Okay. Timber. I'm out, because I literally have no idea where my hammer's at. Great. Okay, now let's go see where that sits. Alright, so we made a 90. Kinda. Slide this in there first. Okay, so we got a lot of extra down there, so kind of feed it through. Remember what I said here? Oh yeah, that's actually work alright. Alright, so let's put our nuts through. Remember, I wanted this so it was adjustable. So if I don't get it right the first time, I can just move the nuts and raise it up and down. So let's get those nuts on here. That's kind of why I went with the wing nuts as well. It's kind of that quick move. Just here. Up. Down with it. One more down. A little more. That should be good. Then we'll lock it with this nut down here. Okay, now what we got to do is try to bend it with the flow of this bumper, which is going to be tough, but let's see what we can make happen. And well, now while doing this here, I gotta kind of bend it up. Just get a few of this right up as close as I can. Hopefully I don't break that headlight. Okay, so once we get it up there, we'll kind of bend it up here a little more. Once we get this other hole drilled, that should be somewhere where it's at. Yeah. So now, we'll get a hole drilled over here somewhere. And we'll try to bend this. I don't know how that's going to work. I might bend it first, just so we can get that to work. I think what I'll do is I'll leave this on here, take that back off, and then I will use the vise again. That makes the most sense. Okay, well, we got her bent more or less in the same direction. We've got to Again, I wanted to use this because it's super forgiving. I mean, you can kind of bend it whichever which way. And even if this doesn't fit right up in here, I can bend it and make that work. So we'll put this nut back on that other side, that jam nut on the bottom. Okay. Then we'll kind of try to mark that out. Where that's gonna need a hole. Right about there, it looks like. Let's mark that. Oh gosh, she's rolling. She's moving. Okay, so we got our mark made. Let's hope our battery has enough juice to drill through there. Probably not. So this might be to be continued. For me, you guys, it'll be Flash. Ah, this game again. I love this game. Hey! We made it! Woohoo! Let's slide on in there, girl. Come on. You ain't gotta be so mean. Yeah. Yay! But, like I was saying, I don't know if you guys see this. This is a little flimsy. But I think that might have enough give. I don't think that has enough give to move that plastic or that fiberglass. So, battery on the camera needs charge. I'll charge that. I'll go have something to eat quick. We'll be back together after the battery's charged. Okay, so we're back here. And I got it on. And you can see it actually runs really nice right under there. And it actually follows the bumper line pretty not half bad for how I did it. Oh, focus now. Alright, so it might be the bright pink that's setting this thing off. Alright, so we're going to try to put this on. We're not going to fully put it on. I'm actually going to order those clips we were talking about yesterday. Not the rubber band ones. I think like an actual like clip for the side deals. And these I kind of got just to kind of keep the inside from flexing in. I'm not really going to mount those up, but we're going to set it up there. And we're going to see if it gets rid of our bumper sag. Alright, so let's try to half-ass get this on. And, without breaking stuff. Ah! You know what? Actually, I'm going to take these stupid lights off first. I put these lights on. Those lower fog lights on. They're not on here, they're on the bumper. Because at Odrift used to have night events and they had lights up, but it was so dark out the first event I went to, you can't see anything. So I'm like, alright, I'm gonna buy some spotlights. And I bought some, and guess what? They never had another night event. Some time took those lights off that bumper. I'll show you what lights I was talking about once I get over there, or once we get this on, to see if this $10 bumper sag fix worked. Let's get it on. Move all these metal brackets I got made here. Okay. Now the real tricky part is going to be a couple things. One of them being not to shove my butt in y'all's faces. And we'll shove those through. Talking about these, I'm not going to nut them, I'm just going to put them on. Doing a really bad job of putting my butt in your face, ain't I, guys? There we go, we're stuck on that. It's definitely sitting better, but it's not quite how we want her. But I'm pushing up on it. It takes quite a bit of force, so I don't know if we're going to get that any better than where we're at right now. And you know what? It looks alright. It looks actually real good. What do you guys think? Alright, so here it is. Obviously rough. Nothing's on there yet. But I mean, it's pretty. Less than a finger. Obviously I stick my finger in the gap, but less than a pinky finger. So I don't know. I'm okay with that. This side sits a little higher. So we'll play with that. We'll bend that up a little bit, but I mean, it's alright. $10. Fix that bumper sag. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you comment. Make sure you let me know you're watching my videos, guys. I want to make this for you guys. I'll make this for myself. I've been doing that. Frickin' battery died. Evidently that one wasn't charged. Right as I was doing my outro. That really sucks. Anyways, I make these videos for you guys. Not only for me. Make sure you're dropping a comment. Make sure you're dropping a like. I see you guys are watching. Just drop that comment, drop that like. Let me know if you like this kind of stuff. This what this channel is all about. Budget fixes. So that's how you can fix your bumper sag on your 240SX for only $10. Let me know if you like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Share with your friends. Don't do a hack job front end like I did, and you'll be a whole lot happier. And keep on sliding.